Hi, Kelly Savage. I'm a certified life coach, and I'm just wondering if you really know what life coaching is all about. Some may have an idea, some may not know at all. Some may think that life coaches are there to go in your ear and tell you what to do. No, life coaching is about guiding, helping with different perspectives, providing different perspectives, looking at everything as a whole picture and helping that person along with life, along with their perspectives. Sometimes we don't see the whole picture when we're looking at it, especially with our own lives. Sometimes we don't see different perspectives, or we can't because our emotions get involved. And there's plenty of different reasons why people look out for life coaches. I life coach those who want to see different perspectives, who want to get over obstacles in their life that are holding them back, maybe mindsets that you just can't get over or seem to change. Anything can change. So I would love to be your life coach. If you want to know what it is all about, we can certainly have a discovery call, see if we're a good fit. I life coach women and I life coach children. Children at a very young, early age, and changing their mindsets is where it's all about, helping them to succeed and conquer and know how to turn things around, because we all know life is tough.